Go throw out your gas station guacamole you bought. Take it and throw it out. Because I'm going to show you how to make the best guac you've ever had. You're gonna put that on everything.
What is this?
Okay, we're gonna make our guacamole now. Just came in. These are all our ingredients that we're gonna need. Avocados, of course. Garlic, onion, cilantro, lime, serrano pepper, salt. That's it. Let's go ahead and get our onion cut up first. For this, I like to cut the onion pretty small for guacamole. I think it's better that way. We don't need all of this onion, I'm just cutting it up anyways. I'll save it, put it in a Ziploc bag or something. If I don't use all of it, use it later. Okay.
Can't die. Keep your eye on the ball.
Cut open our avocados.
Watch the ball, boy. Don't watch me.
And I'm just gonna slice this up somewhat. This is a really soft avocado. So don't put your hand behind it if it's really soft. It might cut through and stab yourself. Just cut it up and then put it in our bowl. Just like that. Scoop it in there. And let's cut our other one up now. Okay. Now throw some onion in there. That's probably about half of our little onion that we put. Forgot about the Serrano. We're gonna mince our Serrano. That's probably good. Yeah, let's throw the whole thing in there. It's gonna be spicy.
Right.
Hope you like it. Hope you like burning your mouth. Oh god, I think I rubbed my forehead. I think I rubbed my forehead and it's burning my forehead now.
Oh, you want another pot?
Nope.
So don't rub your face after that, everybody. Stay tuned. Man fights with garlic coming up next.
I'm about to be. This whole segment is not working out. Like nothing is opening. Freaking avocados are falling apart. Like trying to cut my hands off. That like never has happened. All right, putting garlic in now.
Okay.
This is a pretty big clove. This press likes to leave a lot behind though, so we're gonna go ahead and put that back through and push it again a second time. Because I ain't wasting no garlic. Got a little bit extra. Okay. And go
over there.
Go ahead. Cut up our cilantro now.
No, you want to get it from this angle.
That'd be perfect.
Just don't get your thumb in there.
Yeah. All that good.
Okay.
Dump a little bit of that in there.
Now you just mash it up.
Yep. avocado is really soft.
I see.
You can basically stir it. Let's put in a little salt now. That'll help break it up a little bit. Probably about a teaspoon, half teaspoon of kosher salt. And then we just need lime. After this looks pretty good, thoroughly stirred.
And good dog juice there.
And then lime. Probably about quarter or half lime. We'll do half. Well,
No, it's
So
not
the-
the lime. You just put the juice, right?
yeah, I'm gonna
Okay.
do quarter right now. I like lots of lime in my guacamole.
Let's see. Yeah, there we go. This is a good angle.
And then that's it. You're good.
Oh, so you only put one in?
Let's put a little bit more onion in there.
One quarter of a lime juice.
That was a pretty juicy lime. And these avocados weren't very big.
Smells good.
That smells like it.
Smells really good.
Maybe just a tiny bit more onion because we have it here. I like to put a little.
This is what's good about making your own. You can freaking throw as much lime in as you want.
Yep.
Because, you know, they don't give you limes at Mexican restaurants.
And that's it.
I guess you can ask for them. I never try.
That's it.
That's
And
good.
we're done.
Oh, it's good. You're going to taste it? You don't need to taste it?
No, I don't need to taste it. I know, but it's good. I'll have it in your taste book.
Well, how would people know they need more salt? Or more lime?
Taste it?
I know, like if it doesn't taste limey, you need to put some more in? Or what?
Yeah.
If it doesn't taste too acidic.
Put a little bit more lime in it.
See? That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm talking about. How'd you know?
Well, most guac isn't very acidic. Mine's pretty acidic. I like lots of lime.
You want it to taste like a limeade.
Well, not like a limeade, no. But
Limeades are the best.
maybe just a touch more salt. And we're good. That's good now.